Hello and welcome to Korky Toilet Repair. Today we're going to install your new Korky QuietFILL fill valve and flapper kit. The first step is to shut off the water supply to your toilet. Hold the handle down to drain the excess water. Sponge out the remaining water in your toilet tank. Remove the old flapper. Install the new flapper. Attach the flapper ears to the tabs of the flush valve. Then, attach the flapper chain to the flush lever with minimal slack. Place a bucket underneath your tank to catch any excess water. Disconnect your water supply line and remove the mounting nut. Remove the old fill valve. Turn the top of your new fill valve counterclockwise and pull up to fully extend. Place the fill valve in the tank and press down until the corner of the white cover lines up with the top of the flush valve. Lock the fill valve in place by twisting the upper half clockwise. Make sure the rib on the top of the valve lines up with the pegs on the bottom half. Place the locked valve in the tank. Screw on the mounting nut, insert the metal clip into the refill tube, and attach the clip to the flush valve. Make sure the refill tube has a direct path to the fill valve. Trim the tube if needed and then attach to the fill valve. Reattach the water supply line. Turn the water supply on and wait for the tank to fill completely. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your new Korky QuietFILL fill valve and flapper kit.